All right, welcome to the world's tiniest lift kit for your Crown Vic, Lincoln Town Car, etc. So this is my 97 Town Car. I have replaced the rear airbags with springs, just standard Crown Victoria springs, which I'm really glad I did. Honestly, I don't see much of a difference in the ride quality and, well, no airbags to mess with, right? Excuse the noise. I'm trying to keep this light pointed here. So I went online to, eBay, Amazon, whatever. These are like little tiny lift blocks. And these are like the cheapest of the cheap. They're literally just a few dollars. These are less than $10 for like a set of 4. And it's obviously not going to give you a lot of lift. But if you can see this here, if I can prop the light up in here maybe. Okay, if you see this here, I've got one installed here already. And they are just, they're barely in there, right? So you can install them like this in the front, the, narrower side down, or you can install them up like this. And dang it, I just had it in there. All right. Now I'm struggling with it. There we go. All right. So these, you can put several of them in there. It's not gonna give you better ride quality for sure. But if you just need literally it's really just gonna be a very small amount of lift. But given how cheap they are, it's worth a shot. If you've got some springs that are sagging, or you've got, I don't know, something with a clearance issue, and you need just a few millimeters one way or the other, I'd say give this a shot. They're very, very inexpensive, and that's literally as easy as it is to go in there. They just pop right in. Anyway, that is my video for today. Hope you enjoyed.